What is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly to make your business sound unique, even if there are hundreds and thousands of competitors out there. So without any further ado, let's get into the screen. Now, the concept I'm going to teach you today is called unique mechanism. So what exactly is this unique mechanism? In a simple language, as the term suggests, it's a mechanism that is unique to your business. But how exactly you create one when your business is exactly the same as yours? Well, you can create a simple triangle that looks like this and create your own unique shape. All right. This triangle has three different apexes. The first apex is called a unique feature. It can be a feature of your product, or it can be a specific trait of that particular industry. It can be a very specific thing that you do inside your community, your coaching, your services, anything, right? Second, an objection that people do not want to do in your market. Third is a benefit that people get. Now, culmination of these three things is called the unique mechanism, which is right here. Now, let me give you an example. Okay. Let's say you are selling, let's say you're selling calisthenics as a coaching. There are so many calisthenics teachers. Okay. Now, one core feature of this, the whole calisthenics industry, is that you use only body weight. Okay. You only use your body weight to build muscles and become attractive, right? The objection that this particular thing solves is people hate going to the gym. So let's say without going to gym. Another objection that people give you is that they don't want to eat something fancy, or no, let's say call it fancy diets. The third one, which is the benefit they get. Now, benefit depends on your target audience. Let's say you are helping dads lose weight, right? You can have like a cool little benefit. In my case, I would write, let's say, dad bod to Greek god. That sounds so awesome. So, the way I'll define my unique mechanism statement, and this can be used as a headline in your landing pages, in your ads, pretty much everywhere, is like, I will help you go from a dad bot to Greek god using simple body weight exercises without ever going to the gym or taking fancy diet, all by spending 30 minutes a day, all by spending, let's say we can call it a cool feature could be 30 minutes a day multiplied by 5 days a week. That's 2.5 hours, I guess. So we call it by working out less than 4 hours a week. There you go. That can be a cool little unique mechanism for a calisthenics offer. Now let me give you another example. This is a health example, right? So let's say, let's call it let's say you are a marketing agency. So let's go ahead and create one for yourself, right? So what's going to be our core feature? Let's talk about the feature later. We can have some objections. We can have some benefit right here. Let's say you understood your clientele and the kind of offer that you're helping them with is, I don't know, social media growth. Okay. The core benefit that you're helping people with is you help them hit 100K subscribers on Instagram. Let's say this is where you shine. Next, what you do is you use, let's say you use AI videos or AI avatars. This is a unique feature in your case. Now, even if there are other people selling AI avatars, this could be a cool little thing. You can also add viral script writing as a unique feature, right? You can have multiple unique features. Let's say your scripts always go viral. I don't know. Figure out meme marketing, moment marketing. Figure out something that can actually achieve this result. Okay. Obviously, you cannot be generic. Now, objection is, let's say people don't want to show up on camera. Let's say shooting videos. And then next thing I would do is shooting videos. That's pretty much good, right? The unique mechanism in this particular case for a marketing agency would be, I will help you hit 100K followers on Instagram using our viral scripts and an AI videos, using our proven viral scripts and AI videos, because of which you will never have to shoot another video ever again into your life and see your audience grow to this particular level. That sounds like pretty unique to me, right? So this is the way to create these unique mechanism. I'll show you my company's unique mechanism in this triangle, right? So I work at a company, our name is Yobility. We help coaches, consultants, marketing agencies get high ticket clients online with a simple video sales letter funnel. By the way, if you're interested, there is a link down below. You can check us out. I have a 50-minute masterclass that I've recorded that you can go ahead and watch. In our case, let's talk about the feature, the benefit, the objections. Okay. Now, in our case, our core feature is a video funnel. I'm trying to use as simple language as possible. Benefit is you'll get 30 to 50 high ticket clients. Okay. The objection that people say, hey, I don't want to do cold calling, or I don't want to like slide into DMs of people. I don't want to do workshops or webinars. Right? So the way our unique mechanism is designed is we will help you get 30 to 50 high ticket clients every month using a simple video sales letter funnel without ever cold calling, cold DMing, or doing hundreds of webinars where you have to sell your soul on Zoom. There you go. This is literally our headline. And then this becomes our unique mechanism of Yobility. Now, let me also tell you the pros and cons of this particular model of unique mechanism. Well, you have to be a genuine expert. You cannot just start a business tomorrow and figure out, find out something unique to sell. That's probably not going to be a good idea. So you need to have some proven system. If not proven system, you can use one of these 5 things to like really stand out in the market. What is one of the 5 things? One, if you have created a different model, let's say, for example, we have created the VSL funnel. We have launched it in India, so it just works. Or if you are bound to a specific location, right? You can sell the same exact service that everybody is solving, but if you just do it for local businesses in that particular area, you just win. One of my clients, he helps hospitals and clinics in Hyderabad, India, right? He's like, Hyderabad is my market. There are 5 to 10,000 hospitals and clinics here, and I can sell my services to them, and people just buy, right? Location. Third is speed. Whatever other people are doing, if you can just do it faster, people will pay you more money. That's how you stand out. So let's say I help you create and shoot videos and publish them on your YouTube channel in less than 24 hours. Sounds like a good one. I would always pay a video editor. I would always prefer a video editor who edits faster than an editor who edits well but is extremely slow. Honestly, that. So a model, a location, a speed, a specific niche could be a good one, like that calisthenic example where we help dads, go from a dad bod to a Greek god physique, and that could be a good thing. We can talk about dads who are working in IT companies, dads who are ex-militaries but now have gained weight. All of those. You can have a very specific niche, which becomes like a unique thing for you, right? Finally, after niche, the final one, which does take a little bit of time, but gives you incredible results in the long term, is your experience. The number of reviews you have, the kind of clients you have served, the kind of results you have gotten. This does take time, but this is like the ultimate USP that you can add to your business. Now that's about it. This is how you can create a unique mechanism, make your offer stand out in a crowded market, and sell high ticket with extreme ease. Now, if you're a business owner who wants to like really scale fast using such systems, drop a comment with your biggest query that I can solve in the upcoming videos. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.